Hello traders. Today is the 15th of Jan 2025, Wednesday. I just finished my London morning session and would like to show you how we analyze the market this morning and yesterday at the New York session and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis. All right, let's look at, I'm going to start with the dollar yen. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we had a long trade yesterday, London morning session. And in the New York session, we also had this long trade here, bank some profit, amazing. We were looking at price action around this level because if you look at here, previously price respected. So we were expecting either price gonna break then this target, otherwise possibility of counter opportunity. But if you look at here, the candlestick pattern give us the significant high probability of short trade here. The way we look at here, you can see here the price broken this one and should stay and develop pullback instead. Price reverse, and if you look ahead, this candlestick inside candle pattern, price nicely broken and a retest that give us the high probability of a reversal opportunity. We also look at it this way: we have this look impulsive, this sort of like a correction. So we were expecting this pullback, and we have an Asian session. I did this analysis, and after that, we had such a nice, beautiful rally. Even London morning, we had this beautiful breakout. Price nicely come back and retest, develop another pullback, and the target about this level, which we bank some amazing profit. Now, I've explained you the 4 hour, but now let me explain to you how we analyze the entries, both long and short, through intraday and help our traders. So if you look at here, the first analysis we did, this is the pretty standard and straightforward. This is the yesterday, as you have seen, a long trade here. So I'm going to continue for that. And if you look at here, we have, and after that, this is the New York session analysis yesterday. As you can see here, 14:22 London time. We did analysis and explain in detail that look for pullback at this level. As you can see here, the price nicely developed pullback. After that, the price nicely broken and beautiful as soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4 hour and in intraday. That's what explained my traders time to bank some profit. You can see here 1536 we bank amazing profit on dollar yen. After banking some profit, as explained, look for another price action. So we had after banking them profit, we had another beautiful short trade here, and let me share with you guys. No, before that we have, okay, pretty standard. As you have seen, we bank some profit. We look at the price action, and this is, you can see here, 2:20 in the morning London time at the Asian session analysis we did, and we explain our trade. If you look at the price structure, we have in head and shoulder pattern that give us the high probability, and based on the 4 hour, as explained, we were expecting some price action. Price nicely broken. After that, as explained, take another short trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the fifth channel and the first target, we explain our traders time to bank some profit. That was the beautiful. As you can see here, we in this morning, just before the European Open, we explained our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful short trade here. Even after that, London morning session again, after banking some profit, we explained to trader look for. Before that, we have another beautiful short trade here, guys. Let me. After that, we have another. Yeah, this is the pullback. As you have seen in previous analysis, once we bank some profit, as explained, look for another pullback around orange EMA. As you can see here, the price nicely developed another beautiful short trade and hit to another profit target. As explained, my traders time to bank some profit. So we also have another last trade this morning. We had this one's a pretty standard and straightforward. Once the price reverse, as explained, high probability here. Look for another pullback short trade here. As you can see, a price broken as soon as the price hit to the around this previous low level and fib channel, that's what I explained my trade. Either you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see, guys, we had amazing trade on dollar yen. We also had an amazing, excuse me, let me take some coffee. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so let's look at the we all the yen pair has performed very well. Let me explain to you the pound yen and then okay, so yesterday at the New York session, as you have seen yesterday in the morning, we also had this beautiful short trade here. As explained yesterday at the New York session, we were looking at price action here. So we had this beautiful long trade here. price nicely hit, bank some profit, and at the Asian session, price nicely respected. As you can see here, previously price respected. So we were expecting hit twice here. So we were expecting possibility of price action here because the price previously, um, respected. And if you look at here, the candlestick pattern, that is the bearish, sort of like a bearish engulfing candle pattern based on the body. So we have Asian session short trade here. Even London morning, we had a short trade here. We also had a counter long trade here uh, at this level, and later on we also had a short trade here. Let me explain to you how we analyze the entries and exit. If you look at the um, pound yen, we had, as I said to you, we had a long trade here. That was a pretty standard. That's the New York session yesterday, as you can see here, 1455. After the opening bell, as you can see, a price nicely broken, and we have beautiful on pullback, another pullback, and bank amazing profit on pound yen. So after banking some profit, we had another beautiful trade here once the price developed. And if you look at here, this is the Asian session analysis, 2:20 London time. As explained, the price broke on this low. If it's gonna break long here, if it's gonna break, then keep taking a short trade here. You can see here the price refused at this level and broken even after the breakout. You can see here this is the confirmation. So we had nice, beautiful. As soon as the price developing a double bottom here, this you can see it at the European session. We explained over traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade for the Asian session traders. All right, so after banking that profit, we have another beautiful. Uh, first priority will be short. All yen was strong, as you can see here. We were expecting another pullback at this level. Price nicely hit to the profit target and bank some profit. So that's probably just before the London Open, 7:08. We banked, I think it's 7:03. We did this analysis. After a few minutes, as I explained, my traders to bank some profit and look for another opportunity. And after that, we also had a counter long trade here. So you can see here that was a beautiful, uh, as you can see here, once we bank some profit, we coordinate and communicate with our traders. If you look at the price action, we have a low high is been developed. Price broke on the previous high. After that, give us the confirmation, especially when you do see the double bottom here, momentum is bullish. That was the counter trade. As soon as the price hit this profit target, we explain our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade here. After that, we have a continuation to the downside trade here. Pretty straightforward. As explained, this is the first high being broken. So look for this breakout, or if the price can break this wedge, long trade here. So you can see here the price nicely respected. Once the price respected, we have a beautiful, you can see 814, we have this analysis. 923, we explain our traders time to bank some profit on pound yen. So that was a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. We also had a beautiful trade on euro yen. Yesterday at the New York session, let me explain to you guys. We were looking some price action around this level. As we explained, if you look at this bearish candle is not closed below this candle high, that possibility of counter opportunity, continuation long. So we had this beautiful trade, bank some profit. After that, we also had the short trade here, bank some profit at the New York, the Asian session, even in London morning session. We had such a nice, beautiful rally. So how we analyze this long trade and short trade here in intraday, and if you look at here, let me open to you can see here. Okay, so we had this beautiful breakout, a long trade. He had pretty standard and straightforward. The price broken, and always pay attention to detail. That's what we consider impulsive and correction. We have this breakout pull and then pull back and pull back. As soon as the price hitting, respecting previous high, that's what we explain over traders time to bank some profit. After banking some profit, we also had another pullback. You can see here we're looking always the price action. We have banked some profit. Price came back and looking for the structure breakout. That's what we explained to our trader. So we can see here the price nicely broken. And if you look ahead, this is the analysis at the New York session analysis. Just before 2 p.m., we have a beautiful pullback, another pullback. Once we have the confirmation, momentum is bullish based on the 4 hour. We taken all this nice journey pullback, any pullback would consider high probability trade. We bank amazing profit. That journey was this was the journey from here to here. So once we bank some profit, we started looking for the short trade here. So that's basically look at for this one. This is if you look at here, this is the Asian session analysis. Our analyst mentioned look for another short trade here. Possibility price nicely broken. Exactly the pound yen. So we had this beautiful breakout after the breakout price retest. Beautiful hit to the profit target. Bank some profit. And you can see here, this is the we explained our trade run just before the European Open. We bank amazing profit. And after that, we also had a beautiful another short trade and pretty standard. We have this impulsive reaction, price develop sideways market, and develop another pullback. So we had amazing trade, guys, on Euro. So you can see, guys, how we analyze in the 4 hour. And we also had a beautiful trade, guys, on pound dollar, and even we had a nice, beautiful trades on gold. So let's look at the gold now. Okay, as you have seen yesterday, we had a nice, beautiful uh, long trade here, and our bias was long, beautiful. Even today, we mentioned look ahead this candle, and this is the candle, a bullish engulfing candle, price develop inside candle pattern. So we were looking here, break and retest, give us the confirmation. This is the target where we're expecting here. The price is about to hit this level. We had amazing trade, guys. So if you look at the even yesterday, we had this beautiful pullback long, as you can see here. Even before that, we had another beautiful long trade here. You can see here that was a pretty standard. And this is the, you can see here the New York session analysis. Our bias was long, price nicely broken. After that, we pull back. I said, guys, keep taking it, bank some profit. After banking some profit, we also had another pullback. This is banking some profit. And after banking some profit, we also had this beautiful long trade here this morning at the London after the London Open. We have looked for the price action, and we had this beautiful breakout and pullback after banking some profit. We also have another one a few seconds ago. We had a beautiful another breakout long trade and bank amazing profit because based on the buys, we had amazing trade. We also had amazing trade, guys, on Euro USD and the pound dollar. Amazing trade, guys. It's going to be too much for me to explain all these pairs, but let's take one. Okay, let's look at this. This is the analysis. This is the analysis we had it yesterday. So let me talk about this one here. Okay, so that's the pretty straightforward. As you have seen yesterday, we had a short trade. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Let me do the 4 hour chart first. Okay, so you can see here we have a beautiful short trade yesterday. If you look at my previous analysis, we have once the price rejected, we had the short trade here. We were expecting another pullback. We have a yesterday, we had this long trade here, bank amazing profit. And let me share with you. Then we also had a short that again long. We were expecting today news was expected was negative for the pound, but as always explained my trade what you see it not what you think. So we have another touch. We had another beautiful long trade here. So the price has developed another symmetry triangle pattern. But let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So if you look at here, we had it a beautiful short trade yesterday. That's the if you look at based on my previous analysis, we look at the price develop as mentioned here, develop, you know, low high. We're looking this breakout, so price nicely broken. Safest way after this breakout and retest, give us the confirmation, head to the profit target, bank amazing profit. That was a beautiful long trade here. Even today, we explained to trade let's wait for the price action. Even the news was negative, but as I always mention to my trader, trade what you see here. So we have a pretty standard straightforward on which we explain the part of the training. Price developed over bottom here, break on the previous high and give us the confirmation based on the momentum, hit to the profit target. And that's what explained in my traders time to bank some profit. That was the beautiful trade on pound dollar. We also had a long trade on uh, from yesterday. Even today, we had a long trade here, pullback. So yesterday, as explained, my trade look for this breakout, beautiful long trade here, And after that, we also had explained we have impulsive correction, impulsive. Nice. So let's see if the price is going to respect or not. But let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exits. So if you look at the yesterday analysis, so that was the beautiful. You can see here yesterday at the New York session around 2 p.m. We have this beautiful breakout retest, give us the confirmation based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade here. Even today, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. As mentioned here, we have another beautiful pullback. Nicely hit to the profit target, bang few pp's. All right, guys, that's it for now. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. The whole purpose is this is what we do exactly every single day, analyzing in 4 hour, defining the market bias and the trend, and then look for the entries through intraday, which we broadcast both of this information in real time, which help traders to learn. At the same time, they can practice on our own platform. Once they build their confidence through practice, so there is opportunities to get funded. So more information if you want to join my fast growing trader community, you know, link is given in the video description.